Hello and welcome to SINFT. I'm Suki, a foreign trade account manager. Today we are in episode 11. In this episode, I will make a brief introduction about replacement HYDAC filter elements. SINFT is a company specializing in industrial filtration products and an exceptional manufacturer of brand-compatible spare parts. Our company specializes in the replacement of HYDAC products, mainly producing two series of filter elements. One is replacement HYDAC filter elements type D for pressure filters, and the other is replacement HYDAC filter elements type R for oil return line filters. SINFT's dedication to precision engineering ensures these components not only meet but exceed industry standards, providing reliable performance and cost-effective solutions for a diverse range of industrial applications. The line filter element features a sophisticated three-stage structure designed to achieve exceptional contamination, retention, and filtration performance. Enhanced fluid flow efficiency is ensured by an additional drainage layer, contributing to highly favorable PQ characteristics. The innovative bonding process of the longitudinal seams prevents particles from migrating from the contaminated to clean side. Even in the event of high load fluctuations, inside a spiral lock steam tube forms a sturdy metal core, ensuring consistent stability while significantly reducing the element's overall weight. SINFT replacement HYDAC's D-type pressure line filters optimize separation efficiency, service life, and differential pressure across varying flow rates. This innovative technology has a very positive effect on the differential pressure of the element and provides high filtration efficiency and performance. Type D pressure line elements are used in the filters series DF, DFF, DFG, DFP, DFZ, DFDK, LF, MDF. The innovative Helios pleat geometry consists of alternating high and low pleats. The unique geometry significantly increases the area open to the flow and stabilizes the flow in the area between the pleats, reducing the differential pressure. Under high dynamic load conditions, the Helios geometry prevents pleat compression, which reduces differential pressure. Beta ratio values for optimicron. The range emphasizes its high contaminants retention capacity, effective removal of particles over a wide differential pressure range, and strong resistance to pressure and flow fluctuations. SINFT replacement HYDAC's return line filter elements maintain targeted purity classes similar to pressure filters. However, due to their configuration, they do not serve the additional function of a protection filter. Unlike pressure filters, they are designed to withstand lower pressure levels. R-type elements are used in return line filters. For example, in the series RF, RFD, RFM, RFL, RFLD, NF, NFD. Return line filters, like pressure line filters, operate effectively only when the fluid is flowing through them. Machines in standby mode for extended periods may struggle to maintain the necessary fluid cleanliness due to the absence of flow. It is crucial to consider system configuration and operational dynamics to ensure consistent filtration performance and achieve desired fluid purity levels. This product features high contamination retention and effective particle removal across a wide range of differential pressures. It also exhibits strong resistance to fluctuations in both pressure and flow rate, ensuring consistent and reliable performance in various operational conditions. Look at this. The return line filter includes a bypass in the end cap to ensure continuous bypass operation. Here are the exact specification and information about this product. According to the customer's requirements, we can provide detailed product blueprint designs. Our professional team is dedicated to continuous innovation and precision manufacturing, aiming to satisfy high customer demands for reliability, durability, and cost effectiveness. For more specific information, please visit SINFT official website. See you next time.